Is my lighting right? Let me see. Got the app on my phone. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. It's been like 5, 6, 7 months since you guys see me in front of the camera. But I'm back, okay? I'm back. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm back. Don't mind the peaceful trickling water sounds in the background. That's just a take. But yes, y'all, I am back. It's been a long time. A lot has happened in my life. When I say a lot has happened. Okay, I have moved twice. I got a new job. I'm in a whole new city, and some other things have happened, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But this video is pretty much just say that I'm back. I left YouTube for a while because I started my YouTube videos because I was losing weight and I wanted to document my weight loss journey, you know, get fit. But life hit hard, hit really hard, and I get on the way back. So it really discouraged me from even getting on the camera because I'm just like, how am I gonna tell these people that, hey, here's how you lose weight, and I can't even keep the weight off of me? You know what I mean? I took a step back. I didn't want to sound like a liar. I didn't want to sound like a fraud. You know what I'm saying? So it really discouraged me. But as I was taking the step back, I'm still watching YouTube. You know? I mean, everybody's watching YouTube. I watch YouTube all the time. I watch YouTube more than I watch TV, more than I listen to music. Like, I'm on YouTube all the time. So I'm watching all these YouTubers and I'm just like, I could be doing the same thing, you know? Especially since I do photography and videography, you know? Sounds like something that I should be doing. So this is me just saying, hey, I'm getting back into the rhythm, getting back into the groove. And I'm back. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with my channel, if I want to make it personal or I want to do photography only or a mix of both. I don't know yet, but this is just my start to say, hey, we're getting back on YouTube. I do have some videos already lined up that I want to do, that I want to film. I have a huge Shein delivery. Shein? Who is that? Who is Shein? I have a huge Shein delivery that's coming soon. So I definitely want to record that YouTube video. That's going to be really interesting. And I just have a lot of other videos that I'm thinking about doing. And I think the biggest or the best thing that will work for me is if I just do it with me. I want to do it with other people or on other people. But I don't have access to other people all the time. And then I don't have access to film myself while I'm doing it on this camera that I'm filming on. So that's it. But yep, Euro's back. If you have any like suggestions of things that you want to see from me, drop it in the comments below. If you're happy to see that I'm back, drop it in the comments below. And that's it. That's all. I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye.